We walk past trees, rivers, clouds, and think they'll always be there. But what if one day they're not? The world won't end in one big moment. It fades, piece by piece, when we stop caring. Today we'll see what this beautiful city could become in the future. This is London, the city of history, culture, and bustling life. The Thames flows through streets of concrete, steel, and everyday hustle. Every corner tells a story of tradition and modern life intertwined. Hyde Park, the city's green heart, offers calm amidst the urban rush. Yet, as the city grows, nature's space slowly shrinks. Moments like these remind us of what must be preserved. The financial district pulses with business, ambition, and constant movement. Yet even here, the challenge of sustainability looms large. The decisions made today will shape the city of tomorrow. Imagine London in 2125, a city transformed by nature and technology. Here, rivers sparkle with life, and floating gardens bring nature back to the city. Buildings breathe, streets are smart, and energy is clean and infinite. The Thames now flows through a vibrant eco-city, alive with innovation. Autonomous boats glide quietly, connecting communities seamlessly. The skyline itself is a garden, a symbol of harmony with nature. Hyde Park evolves into a vertical ecosystem, alive and thriving. Here, humans and wildlife coexist in perfect balance. Nature is no longer confined, it shapes the city itself. The City of London is transformed, clean, smart, and sustainable. Energy comes from the sun and wind, powering a harmonious metropolis. Streets are alive, yet peaceful, blending humans, nature, and technology. From today to tomorrow, London reminds us, the future is not written yet. It is what we choose to build together with nature. And in this vision, hope is alive in every corner of the city. A future where humanity and nature thrive in harmony is possible. London 2125, a city reimagined, a lesson for us all. The story of tomorrow begins today. If we want this future, the one we just saw, we have to earn it. Not with money or power, but with care, patience, and respect for the planet that keeps us alive. It's not too late. The world can heal, if we let it. Every act of care, every choice to protect, it all brings life back. If we care, really care, this future can be real. Clean air, green cities, rivers full of life again. It's possible. We just have to want it.